There's a lady sure that all that glitters is gold. She's buying the stairway. And when she gets there, she knows if the stars are all closed, with a word she can give what she came for. And she's buying the stairway to heaven. There's a sign on the wall, but she wants to be sure, 'cause you know sometimes words have two meanings. In a tree by the brook, there's a songbird that sings. Sometimes all of our hearts are misgiven. There's a feeling I get when I look to the west, and my spirit is crying for leaving. In my thoughts I see rings of smoke through the trees, and the voices of those who stand looking. A sprinkling for the May Queen. Yes, there are two paths you can